This is a video about musical instruments, and today you are going to know some of musical instruments. And let's start by knowing how to say music in Albanian. In Albanian music we say muzika, muzika, the music, definitive, and muzika is indefinitive, so it's very easy. If you want to say the Albanian music, you have to say muzika shqiptare, muzika shqiptare. And if you want to say the Albanian music is beautiful, you have to say muzika shqiptare është e bukur. And if you want to say I like Albanian music, you have to say më pëlqen muzika shqiptare, më pëlqen muzika shqiptare. Okay? Now, what about to know some instruments? The easiest one is piano. In Albanian is piano. In definitive, pianoja, pianoja. Ja, because it's feminine, pianoja. The violin is violina, violina. Definitive. In definitive, violin, violin. So if you notice that the words that have this are in definitive, they usually end with a. Almost always they will end with a, and that is not so heard in the language, in the spoken language. So you will not see muzika. You will see or you will hear music, but it is muzika in a written form. So just be careful about this. Another instrument is the guitar. In Albanian is kitare, kitare. In definitive, kitaria, definitive. If you want to say accordion, accordion in Albanian is fisarmonika, fisarmonika, definitive, so the accordion, fisarmonika. And in definitive, fisarmonika. Okay. Now another one is yes, the drum, the drum. In Albanian is daule, daule. This is a little bit different. Daule. And daule. And definitive is daulia, daulia. So yeah, because it's feminine. Okay. I want to tell you also the viola. That in Albanian is viola, viola, like my name. So that's why I wanted you to know it. So that's it. What did you learn today? So we learned muzika, muzika shqiptare, muzika shqiptare është e bukur, më pëlqen muzika shqiptare, and some instruments. That in Albanian, instrument is instrumentet muzikore. The musical instruments. Instrumentet muzikore. Janë are, okay? Pianoja, kitarja, daulja, violina, viola, okay? I said pianoja. And fisarmonika, fisarmonika, the accordion. Okay, that's enough for this lesson, and please subscribe on my channel and follow me also. I have the page on Facebook, Let's Learn Albanian, and also the Facebook account, Let's Learn Albanian. So you can find me also there for any kind of questions or difficulties that you find in learning the language. So just subscribe on YouTube channel and you'll have the videos going on. Thank you very much for following and have a nice day.